AC 6016, turn left heading 350.
Left turn 350, AC 6016.
Air 9 Romeo Foxtrot, turn right heading 040.
Right 040, Air 9 Romeo Foxtrot.
Good morning, Nashville departure, SkyWest 4583 is 2000 for 4000.
AC 6016, turn left direct Kello.
Left turn direct Kello, AC 6016.
SkyWest 4583, Nashville departure, radar contact. Climb and maintain 15,000.
I maintain 15,000, SkyWest 4583.
Citation, turn right heading 200. SkyWest 4583, turn left heading 350.
Left turn 350, SkyWest 4583.
Air 9 Romeo Fox, climb and maintain 6,000.
Up to 6,000, 9 Romeo Foxtrot.
Citation, Montana approach 124.75, good day.
Our level at 5,000 is a citation. Helicopter 47 Hotel, looking for traffic. Citation, Nashville approach, good traffic. About 1 to 12 o'clock, 4 miles southeastbound, out of 3,600 for 4,000 is the helicopter. Helicopter 7 Echo Hotel, I maintain VFR 5,500. Helicopter 407 Echo Hotel, 5,500. And Helicopter 7 Echo Hotel, previously caught traffic, no factor. Roger. Citation. Turn left heading 110 out of the Turn Airport. It's going to be 9 o'clock, 7 miles. Citation. Clear visual approach, runway 2 right, contact tower 118.6. Station Nashville Tower, runway 2 right, clear to land. One call.